Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring how to create seamless links within your Notion workspace, either by using shortcuts or button widgets. Let's get started. First up, we're going to look at how to link to a different Notion page using shortcuts. On the page where you want to insert the link, simply click and type @. Then begin typing the name of the page you want to link to. Once you see the page you're looking for, click on it. And that's it. You've successfully created an internal link using shortcuts. Now, let's take it a step further with a more interactive approach using a button widget. First, choose a button widget that you like. Now you can customize your button. Enter a name for where this button should lead. Now, go to the Notion page you want to link to and copy the link. Go back to your button widget and paste this link. Finally, simply embed this button into your Notion by copying the embed link and inserting it into your workspace. You can also resize it and move it around to best suit your requirements. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated button in your Notion workspace that links to another page. We hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to check out our website.